Hello all. So I will introduce myself first. My name is Siddharth Borgohain and I am an aspiring data scientist. Okay, so we will discuss about Microsoft Power BI. So we will not move further down into the Power BI report making and all. Today we will only discuss about the introduction, what is BI tool, then what is the process of BI tools, and why we will use Microsoft Power BI as our primary BI tool. Okay, so this is our agenda. So let's start. So first we will understand what is business intelligence. So business intelligence is a architecture or a technology, you can say that, which collect, integrate and analyze the data, and it shows some reports or charts to the customers or the stakeholders so that they will understand the data better. Okay, so now we will study about what is the stages in business intelligence. So there are four stages in business intelligence. They are firstly decisions making, then collection, then data cleaning, and then the reporting. Okay, so collection is the data is collected from different resources. In industries, the data is collected from the ERPs, then like databases like SQL server or your other types of servers. Okay, and we can import data from different resources like CSV file, JSON file, and many more. Then data cleaning. Okay, so data cleaning is a process where the unwanted data are removed, or the null data are modified or replaced by uh, replacing the null values into the mean values or median values or mode values. Okay, here only the ETL process is done. So what is the full form of ETL? So the full form of ETL is extract, transform and load. Okay, now reporting. Reporting is, it is the graphical representation of data. So data are converted into graphs or charts. Maybe you have heard about some plots like bar plot, then box plot, then histograms like that. I will give one simple example. In share market, uh, you have observed some lines also. There is a line plot or line curve. Now decisions making and prediction. So from the previous reporting and visualizations, mm, we can predict the future using the previous datas. mm, uh, it's like that. From the previous datas we will observe the trend of the data so that we can predict that in future the data will, or the sales or something will increase or decrease. Now various BI tools are used in the world. Okay, so primarily we will focus on the Power BI things. As part of Gartner's Power BI stack sheet. So Power BI is the more number one BI tool, and followed by W. Okay, so why will use Power BI? Okay, so first thing is that Power BI is affordable. Okay, and Power BI desktop is fully free, so you can use the Power BI desktop. Okay, and for sharing purpose only, uh, we have to use Power BI services that take some cost. Okay, so you can also share the report by mailing the customer. Okay, so like that it will be fully free. Okay, now ETL tool. So ETL tool is also known as the Power Query. So here, the data cleaning process is done. Okay, the real-time streaming. So we can take the live data and we can display it into different charts. Okay, in custom visualizations. Okay, so we can change the visualizations like that. So there are several types of BI versions. Okay, like I have already mentioned you the about the Power BI desktop, then Power BI services, Power BI mobile, Power Query, Power Pivot, and Power View. Okay, so when you open the Power BI, then the opening interface will be like that. So you will see like that. It will showing us the previous data we have opened, and you have also also you can see what's new, then what's the last update like that. Now to get data we have to click the get data and we can select which type of data we will drag into the Power BI. Okay, we can select importing datas, or you can select load datas, or you can select transform datas. So transform data, when you click it into the transform data, then it will move us to the Power Query, and when you load the data, then it will move the us to the Power BI views. Okay, so these are the three views. One is report view, one is data view, and it's model view. So report view, where the charts, the graphs will be created. Here only the reports are created. Okay, so data view, this is the tabular view, so you can check the full table. And this is the model view. This is important when we combined two or three different um, different models or different tables. Okay, so these are the primary things, and these are the fields, visualizations, and filters. So we will dive deep into those things later. Okay, so for today, we won't discuss further. Okay, so in the next video onwards we will move to build the charts, the graphs, and all. Okay, we'll also discuss about the Power Query things, how to clean the data, how to import the data from the different resources like CSV file, like Excel file, like databases, different types of databases like MySQL, like Microsoft SQL Server, like that. Okay, so thank you for today, and please like and subscribe the channel. It will be very helpful for us, and we will provide a free videos so that you will understand more properly. And if you have any doubts, please comment down below. Okay, so thank you.